Hey guys, any of you looking for a really affordable battery that's amazing quality, AGM, it's fraction of the price of original BMW, Mercedes or Porsche battery, you can buy 3 instead of 1 and you get it with free shipping delivered to your door. Stay with us, we'll explain where we got that one from. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. For any of you guys being on the market for a good but very cheap battery, excellent quality but cheap price battery for a Porsche, BMW, Mercedes, stay with us guys. We found a deal guys, we found an amazing deal for H8 battery that cost fraction of the price. Instead of going to the dealership, you can buy 3 of them. We use them in BMWs. Now we're going to put one in a Porsche. One just came. I want to show you guys what it looks like. Make sure to stay until the end before we start. Let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything, engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. We guys have more than 14,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So what do we got here guys? That Porsche Cayenne. That one, okay, drains battery like nuts. Why? Some Cayennes came with even 2 batteries. This one is just a single battery. The system goes to sleep once you lock the car after about 6-7 minutes. So it has quite a bit of drain. When you put a regular battery in it, okay, 3 years and it's short, like this one here. I want to show you, okay, that's a Walmart cheap Everlast battery. And if we test it guys, okay, with the battery tester now here, I want to show you. It's going to say 12.8 volts. And if we go ahead and test it out of the vehicle before charge, regular flooded 900 code cranking amps. Okay, I want to show you now what those test results will say. Practically it's so done that it doesn't measure anything. 0% state of charge, so 13% state of charge. So that's guys, okay, bad. Now this is guys the battery we're talking about. We will put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it. It will come home with absolutely free shipping guys in a couple of days. Sometimes you can get it the same day. I just couldn't believe it myself, and for that price you can buy 3 instead of going to the dealer just to buy the battery itself. We're not talking about the installation. This is the AGM Weize battery guys, right here. This is simply amazing. Let me show you now here. Okay, we're going to test it the way it came out of the box. Now one we received was at 12.9 volts. Okay, I want to see how much this one is. Okay, it's 13.06 volts guys. Now if we test it, let's go ahead and test it. Okay, out of the vehicle, practically we're going to say it's after charge. This is the AGM battery, code cranking amps, and let's test it now. Let's see what we have here guys. Okay, state of charge 98%, good battery. Look at this one, code cranking amps, it's right now it's at 1120 and it's rated at 900, so it's way more powerful than what it's rated guys. This is simply amazing battery. Now it fits amazing in BMWs, Porsche, Mercedes guys. The size is just identical to original BMW, Mercedes and Porsche battery. But even the Everstart, okay, fits. It's not exactly the same, the Everstart here, okay, on top looks a little bit different, but this one on top even looks really close to the original BMW, Mercedes and Porsche batteries. This battery is something guys, okay, that I would definitely recommend. We're going to do guys, okay, install it in that Cayenne now, but if you're on the market for a good battery, this is the way to go. We just made that video to save you money. Link will be in the description of the video below for your convenience. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.